So for today's video, discuss lang natin kung paano or ano ang dapat gawin bago magpakabit or mag-install ng air conditioning unit. So first, kailangan mo mag computation of loads. Kailangan mong kunin ang wattage ng aircon. So for every 1 HP ay mayroon siyang 746 watts. For every 1.5 meron siyang 1119 watts. So nagko-convert tayo dito dahil sa computation of loads ang gamit dito ay watts. For every 2 HP equals, that is 2 times 746, that is 149,492 watts. Now, kailangan natin i-determine yung breaker size. So kailangan natin ma-determine yung breaker size. Para makuha yung breaker size, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng current or amperes. So using Watt's law, kailangan natin makuha ang value ng current. So for example, we are using or may plano tayo na gumamit ng 7 yung 1 HP na aircon. So in every 1 HP, we have 746 watts divided by 220 volts divided by 220, 390 amperes. So since nakuha na natin yung value ng current, kailangan natin mag-add ng 125% continuous load consideration dahil ang aircon ay gumagamit ng motor. So since meron tayong 3.390 amps times 1.25, ito yung tinatawag na continuous load consideration. So that is 3.390 times 0.25, that is 4.2.24 amps. So ito na ngayon ang ating basis sa ating pag-determine ng breaker size. So the nearest possible breaker size for this number is 10 amperes. So since walang 10 amperes or possible na wala, we can use 15 amps na breaker size. So to determine naman ng wire size, so the nearest possible dito is number 12. You can use number 12 for amperes. So specifically we use 12 amperes for the number 12 for the outlet and for the special purpose outlet. So now you have to decide, use 15 amperes breaker size and number 12 special purpose outlet. So now for 1.5 HP equivalent to 1119 watts. So 1119 watts divided by 220 volts equals 5.08 or 5.09 amps times 1.25. For the continuous load consideration, times 1.25, that is 6.25 36 amps. To determine the breaker size, we will use 15 amps breaker size, and we will use number 12 AWG for the wire size. So now, why is it important for us to be able to determine the breaker size? And the wire size. Now, if you have an old circuit or old circuit breaker that is rated at 30, kasi in our case, we have here our old fuse type or cartridge type, 30 amperes fuse. Now, para ako makag-add ng aircon, kailangan kong maglagay ng 60 amperes as the main, with a branch of 20 amperes for the air conditioning unit. So that is all, and we will continue next video.